any company building anything will have to use AI, because every industry in the next decade will go through transformative improvements, or they'll go out of business unless they have integrated that into their operational efficiencies, into their manufacturing lines, or into their customer service. So when you have a foundational technology, if you're using it for hygiene, let's say, because you have to use it, much like we use today, you wouldn't say I'm a mobile first application. You have to be mobile first, right? You wouldn't say I'm a web application, let alone you wouldn't have said even 15 years ago I'm a client server solution. What else would you be? Would you be writing on mainframe? You wouldn't be doing that, right? So you can't call out AI for using it as an embedded value driver, which almost every company will have to do. So is it something that's just enabling what you're doing, or are you building core building blocks? If you're building something that's a core building blocks, that's fine. Otherwise, everybody is AI. So then and everyone gets that short time to pitch and impress someone to be part of your organization, be your employee, your customer, your investor, whatever have you. So what do you use that time to signal? And you have to use that time to signal something that is specific value driver for your business. Maybe you should call out if you're not using AI. I'm not using AI and why, which I don't know what that pitch would look like, but I'm taking you off grid because everybody needs to be off grid to detox maybe. But other than that, I expect every company to be using AI for how they are going to build efficiency. Where to call out AI is if you're doing something that is truly leapfrog from some building blocks that you are building for that AI infrastructure, so to speak.